Hello everybody, here Liaram. I am grade 2 in section. Today I am going to do energy booster snacks. These are the ingredients: bread, butter, brown sugar and nuts. Bread contains carbohydrates for energy. It gives nutrients like vitamin B. Butter is made up of cow milk. It gives fat soluble vitamins. Nuts improves the heart health. It is good for brain functions. Brown sugar. It is very good antioxidants. It gives quick energy.
Avoid using white sugar. Instead of white sugar, we can use brown sugar. Butter gives us good fat. Energy giving food gives us energy to work and play.
Hi everyone, I am Purna Lakshmi from grade 2. Today I am going to prepare curd rice. It is a popular and comfort food in South India. Let's see the ingredient. Cooked rice 1 cup, fresh curd 1 cup, 1 glass of milk, curry leaves, chopped green chilies, grated ginger, grated carrot, pomegranate seeds, coriander leaves and pinch of salt. First take 1 cup cooked rice, then add fresh curd with rice, mix well until the rice is well coated. Add milk to make it little soft consistency. Then add pinch of salt, curry leaves, chopped green chilies, grated ginger, grated carrot, pomegranate seeds and mix well. Finally sprinkle the coriander leaves. This is a simple dish and very healthy. Curd rice is good in hot weather since it can be refreshing and help in digestion and boost immunity. Now I am going to prepare buttermilk. Let's add 1 cup of fresh curd, water and pinch of salt and mix well. Now the buttermilk is ready. Thank you.